Nepal, a land of majestic hills and breathtaking mountains, has been facing the consequences of climate change in recent years. Extreme climate events like intense and untimely rainfall, drought, landslides have become increasingly common. As a result, we have witnessed an expansion of degraded and barren land and a decline in the functional integrity of mountain watersheds. Restoration of these watersheds has now become a matter of pressing importance. However, the geographical remoteness and inaccessibility have been the major barriers, particularly in the rugged topography. Responding to this challenge, the development of Climate-Resilient Livelihoods, DCRL, a joint initiative of UNDP and the Ministry of Forests and Environment, Government of Nepal, funded by the Global Environment Facility, piloted the drone-based seed bombarding to bring greenery back to the barren landscapes. The technology, developed in partnership with the Institute of Engineering, Pulchok, and Robotics Association of Nepal, has made reforestation possible in areas where it would have been either impossible or too risky and costly. The team of innovators identified the areas with mass movement, degraded land, less than 10% canopy, and steep slopes.
In the lower Dutkoshi watershed, access to water is becoming increasingly difficult due to climate change. With the DCRL project, we aim to introduce adaptive watershed management practices in 8 municipalities, benefiting over 120,000 vulnerable people. One of the key objectives of the project is to rehabilitate and restore the barren landscape in the difficult terrain of Khotang and Okhaldhunga districts. Together, we've developed a technology for aerial seeding using drones. We are still at an early stage, but we are very excited by the potential of this technology. For us, this is a good example of the role UNDP can play to bring together governments at all levels and the innovation ecosystem in Nepal, in this case, engineers working on robotics and digital solutions to solve complex development problems.
The approximate soil depth, species suitability, and other technical standards were identified through intensive field investigation and discussion with relevant officials, experts, and communities. Creating a machine capable of seed bombarding was no easy feat. It required the perfect combination of robotics and innovation. Young and talented robotics and geomatic engineers, along with a multidisciplinary team, initiated the customization of the drone using their own pioneer idea. The most challenging task encountered was to enable the machine system for continuous seed bombardment at desired sites at a desired quantity. With numerous iterations and field tests, the team successfully combined drones with a specialized system designed for seed bombing.
We made the perfect combinations of robotics and mechanical functions while we customized it. The treated and the nutrient-enriched seeds are expected to enable faster germination and reduced costs. It is the first initiation in Nepal and still may have space of improvement.
Each seed was meticulously molded into a round shape with a mixture of mud, ensuring it would fit perfectly into the drone's funnel. Though labor-intensive, every handcrafted seed carried the hope of restoring Nepal's lush green forests. The team achieved success after facing several trials and errors. The seed bombarding took place in target locations of Okhaldhunga and Khotang, two of the most climate-vulnerable districts of Nepal. The drone gracefully dropped seeds over large stretches of land, bringing newfound hope for reforestation. The use of drone was found cheaper than the manual plantation, while also making the task safer, efficient, and targeted.
Nepal is facing serious impact due to the climate change, and Ministry is implementing multiple climatic actions in diverse landscape to mitigate the impact. In addressing land degradation, reforestation in inaccessible mountain landscape is one of the barriers. The drone-based aerial seed sowing is being tested for the first time as a trial initiative after analyzing its demonstrative result and effectiveness, expected to be useful for ecosystem restoration through its wider application.
Drone-based aerial seed bombardment technology is initiated through national scale customization and successfully executed in the remote mountain areas of Nepal. It is a pioneer pilot scale practice, and we are continuously monitoring the condition of seed germination and survival. After analyzing its demonstrating results, we are expecting the wider application of this technology for mountains landscape restoration.
This experiment has demonstrated an immense potential to revolutionize the conservation initiative in rugged mountains terrains of Nepal.